is the N30i mask, and I'm going to show you how to put your headgear on and fit it up. So you have writing on the back of your headgear, so make sure it's right side up and you can read it, and then just take it and take your mask and Velcro through the sides. And it just Velcros to itself on either side. Then all you have to do is just put it under your nose and then pull it down. This tube will go on top of your head, and then this one goes in the back. Once you get it on, you just take your Velcro straps and you're going to tighten it till it's comfortable. You don't want to pull it too tight so your nose is pulling up or anything like that, but just tight enough where the mask is sealing well. You'll go ahead and then attach your tube in here. You do have a quick release up here, so if you need to go to the bathroom, you can just squeeze the sides, leave your mask on, come back, and then reconnect your tubing. There is exhalation ports here and on the front of the mask on this one. Those are normal leaks that you will feel. That lets the carbon dioxide out that you're breathing out, so it clears the mask. And to get it back off, all you do is pull, and it comes right off. You do want to wash your mask once a week in mild soap and water, and that's the entire mask. However, the piece that touches your nose, you should probably wash daily, and those just pull and they come right off. You can either soap and water wash it thoroughly every day, or you can use a non-alcoholic wipe such as the CPAP mask wipe to wipe those down with, and they just hop right back together. When you're reassembling, you'll notice only one side has arrows, but the other side did not, so that's how you know you're putting it on correctly. That is the N30i. If you have any questions, just give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you with any issues you're having.